Today we're evaluating two things. This build that I made for outside fireplaces, we're going to see how it does inside with wood stoves. And this Vodafone fan that I found. Now you can see that it's got a little bit of an angle to it. It's a little dusty because we used it for the last couple days. And it's heat operated, no batteries. You can look in the back here, there's a little motor. Here's a whole intricate designed cooling system, and this thing gets hot. And the front of the fan gets very hot. Now, people have said that it really doesn't push out air, and supposedly you can get upwards to 240 cubic feet per minute on this fan. It does do the job. It takes a room that would have cold spots and distributes the heat all around, but it's different than a typical fan because you don't feel the air really coming at you. First thing we're going to do is start this guy out. All right, for this guy, the thing is, you could go in here and do just like you do with a fire and extend it and put it in there. The only problem is you kick up all this ash that happens to be in the fireplace or the wood stove. So I'm going to actually use this vent down here, blow the air through there, and we can still have a fairly good standoff because the pipe goes all the way out here. So you're not going to melt this piece. I know there's other wood stove blowers like this. None of them have a handle like this. None of them look like this. And none of them have an extending tube like this, which I think makes all of the difference. Because the last thing you want to do is take a plastic and put it on a hot piece of metal right here. The situation we have here is a fire that's died out. There's some little embers in here. So we'll put one more piece of paper in there right next to the embers. And see how it does. Just to shut it off. Just a couple seconds with this blower, and you got a big success on your hands. And now that we've got it started with this, it's time to put the fan in place and get this guy going, distributing the heat. Takes a little while to warm up. There it goes, just started. You can see how quiet it is. Can't hear a thing. When it's running low on juice, you just plug it into any USB outlet with the provided cable and charge it right up so it's ready to go. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you like Frankenstein builds, evaluations of all sorts of home gear, sports gear, electronics gear, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props, check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what you're gonna see.